Hey everyone, it's Christian from Racknerd. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix a server that is rebooting itself unexpectedly. So if you're interested in learning more, stick around. Before we dive into the potential causes and solutions, let's talk about one of the most common causes of a server rebooting randomly, which is faulty or degraded RAM. This is a common reason that is often overlooked. RAM is also known as random access memory and is a type of memory that is used by your server to store data and instructions temporarily. If your server's RAM is faulty or degraded, it causes a range of issues, including random reboots. You can determine if your server has faulty RAM by looking at the BIOS event logs. Or if your server has an IPMI controller, you could look at the event log to see if you're able to see any DIMM or RAM related messages. Sometimes you'll see such logs from within the operating system level as well. If you notice any RAM related problems, you want to replace that piece of failed RAM accordingly. If you're renting a dedicated server with a hosting provider, you could contact the hosting provider to inform them about the issue and to replace the failed stick of RAM. If this is your own server, be sure to replace the stick of DIMM with one that is the same model and type as your other DIMMs. It's generally good practice not to mix and match brands. Now, while bad RAM is one of the more common reasons behind why a server might be rebooting itself randomly, there could be a myriad of other reasons why a server might be misbehaving and rebooting itself randomly. Sometimes it could be due to other hardware issues, such as another hardware component not being properly seated or a server not receiving enough cooling. On the other hand, it can also be caused by software installed within the operating system, or it can be caused by an operating system kernel. In summary, if your server is rebooting unexpectedly, there are a number of potential causes that may be at fault, including degraded RAM, overheating, as well as others. A systems administrator of yours would be able to diagnose on a more deeper level. However, as a starting point, you may want to check to ensure that your RAM is healthy before you proceed with the further troubleshooting steps, as it may just solve your problem. If you're looking for a reliable hosting provider that uses enterprise parts, be sure to check out our server hosting solutions at Racknerd.com. We offer fast hardware replacements in the event that any hardware issues, and also we can design custom solutions that provide redundancy depending on what it is that you're looking for. Feel free to get in touch with us via email at sales@racknerd.com to discuss your server hosting needs, and we would be more than happy to assist you with a customized quote. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you found this to be helpful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button for us. It means a lot, and it really does help us out, and we'll see you in the next video.